Hello children, welcome to GK class. This video for class 3. Today we will learn topic 1 Inventions and Discoveries timeline, page number 24 and 25. Topic 2 Story time, page number 26. Let's start. Look at the title of the topic 1 and the pictures. Here you can see pictures of inventions and discoveries. What is invention? An invention is creating something totally new with one's own ideas and development. Inventions are created to help make life easier and better. Example, how Thomas Edison invented the light and bulb. What is discoveries? A discovery is something that already exists for the first time, that nobody has found before. Example, how Christopher Columbus discovered the America. The next is timeline. A timeline shows a picture of events as they happen in a certain period of time. Now we will see the abacus. Abacus is the first known calculator was invented. It is said to be invented by the Chinese in 2400 BC. An abacus is a manual aid to calculating that consists of beads that can be moved up and down on a series of sticks within a usually wooden frame. The abacus itself does not calculate. It's simply a device for helping a human being to calculate by remembering what has been counted. Next, telescope. Hans Lippershey was invented the first telescope in 1608. It was used to view the skies. Telescope is one of the most important inventions. The simple device that made far away things look near. Next, sewing machine. The present form of sewing machine was invented by Elias Howe in 1846. It is used for stitching clothes. The next one is thermometer. Galileo Galilei invented a rudimentary water thermometer in 1593, which for the first time. It is used for temperature variations to be measured. The first mercury thermometer, invented by Gabriel Fahrenheit in 1740. Next, steam engine. The steam engine was invented by Thomas Savery, but later improved by James Watt in 1769. Then it became usable. Next one, telephone. Alexander Graham Bell is most famous for his invention of the telephone. He was interested in the study of sound because his mother and his wife both were deaf. He experimented to send voice signals down a telegraph wire. He had a famous assistant, Thomas Waston, and together they were able to come up with the telephone. The first words spoken over the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell on March 10, 1876. That is, "Mr. Waston, come here. I want to see you." Later, Graham Bell introduced the use of the words "hello" when answering phone call. Next, airplane. Airplane invented Wilbur and Orville Wright in 1903. With this invention, many airplanes take shape within time, gaining more size and flying more heights with different size and appearance. Totally one of the best inventions ever made. Traveling became faster and further. Next, pasteurization. Louis Pasteur invented the process of pasteurization of milk in 1862. He believed that germs causes disease. Pasteurization kills microbes and prevents spoilage in milk and other goods. Next, light bulb. Thomas Alva Edison invented the light bulb in 1879, which could glow for over 1500 hours. Next, Model T car. Henry Ford invented the Model T car in 1908. It was the first affordable car used by people. Students, the first topic we have already learned inventors and their inventions. Now, let's see the second topic, story time. Do you know, children, what stories teach us? Stories teach us about life, about ourselves, and about others. Storytelling is a unique way for students to develop an understanding, respect, and appreciation for other cultures, and can promote a positive attitude people from different lands, races, and religion. Children, reading storybooks is very important because it develops your thoughts and knowledge. It helps you to increase creativity and imagination. The more you read, the more you get to know more characters. Then they become like your friends. So, students, try to read more storybooks. Let's learn a few names of the stories. Number 1. A young boy who is made to paint the fence by Aunt Polly because he skips his school. A young boy who is made to paint the fence by Aunt Polly because he skips his school. Answer is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Second one. A wooden puppet whose nose grows longer with every line. A wooden puppet whose nose grows longer with every line. Answer is Pinocchio. Third one. He falls in love with Princess Jasmine and finds a magic lamp that turns him into a prince. He falls in love with Princess Jasmine and finds a magic lamp that turns him into a prince. Answer is Aladdin. Fourth one. Story of a Horse by Anna Swell that teaches us to treat people with kindness and respect. Story of a Horse by Anna Swell that teaches us to treat people with kindness and respect. Answer is Black Beauty. Fifth one. A little wooden puppet who loves driving his friends around Toy Town. A little wooden puppet who loves driving his friends around Toy Town. Answer is Noddy. Sixth one. When he played his pipe, all the rats followed him. When he played his pipe, all the rats followed him. Answer is Pied Piper of Hamelin. Let's do exercise. If you have books, do it in your book and copy. Exercise. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What was invented by Hans Lippershey to view the stars in the sky? I repeat. What was invented by Hans Lippershey to view the stars in the sky? Answer is telescope. Second one. Which calculating device was invented by the Chinese in 2400 BC? Which calculating device was invented by the Chinese in 2400 BC? Answer is abacus. Third one. Name the first affordable car introduced by Henry Ford and used by the people. Name the first affordable car introduced by Henry Ford and used by the people? Answer is Model T. Fourth one. Who improved the steam engine in 1769? Who improved the steam engine in 1769? Answer is James Watt. Fifth one. The dash machine invented by Elias Howe is used for stitching clothes. The dash machine invented by Elias Howe is used for stitching clothes. Answer is sewing machine. Sixth one. What was invented by the Wright brothers in 1903 which made traveling easy and quick? Answer is airplane. Seventh one. According to Louis Pasteur, what was the main cause of disease? According to Louis Pasteur, what was the main cause of disease? Answer is germs. Last one. Which word did Alexander Graham Bell introduce for answering phone calls? Which word did Alexander Graham Bell introduce for answering phone calls? Answer is hello. Listen this video properly. Thank you.